Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Ella of the oWyscribbles. Today I'm going to be showing you an unboxing video. Not an art video this time. This is also related to art, so that's why I want to show you. By the way, I am at home, so the lighting's not really good. I'm just using the sunlight there. And it's sundown, so yeah. And my background is our front door. But anyway, the package that I got is from Pangbalot PH. It's a local shop in my country, in Philippines. They are located in the northern part of the country. They sell craft boxes and other items that are related to crafting, especially gift wrapping. So they sell paper bags and tapes and all of those things. What is so special about this shop is that they use materials that are eco-friendly, and they produce their products not by using different, like, you know, high technology. These products are actually not from factories, but these are made by the locals, handcrafted by the locals. So that is something that I really admire from this product. I mean, from this shop. So a few weeks ago, they had a giveaway in Instagram. So I joined that giveaway. I love joining giveaways in Instagram, by the way. And if you haven't, yeah, please do try. It's really fun to win stuff. So I did not really win the major prize, but the owner was very generous. Hi to the owner, whoever you are. I'm sorry, I should have gotten your name, but you're very generous. She is very generous. She gave all the participants a 500 worth of item from Pangbalot PH, and we, the winners of that giveaway, would have the freedom to choose whichever we want to get from their online shop. And so today I'm going to show you what I got and what I chose from them, because I got their package just days ago. So I'm really excited to open it, and I'm also excited to use it probably in my future crafting business in the future. I'll make sure that I don't put that thing to waste. So anyway, so here's the unboxing video. So this is the package that came a few weeks ago. This is from Pangbalot PH. It's a very good packaging because they are very thorough. They really wrote this one fragile, and it says here, very fragile, wag po daganan or ihagis. Actually, this is a Tagalog, in Tagalog language, and in Filipino language, I mean, and it says it's very fragile. You cannot like throw it, or it will be folded. It shouldn't be folded, or you shouldn't flatten it. And maraming salamat mi. Thank you. So anyway, I got this a few weeks ago, and this was on quarantine. Something that we do when we're home, when we're at home. We do not really like open packages when they come, so we quarantine them. And this is my full name, and there it's my IG name. So we're gonna start opening it like this. So I got a stand for my camera because it's too close. Okay, wait. So now it is partially open. I just removed the phone from the holder because it's too difficult to use it with a holder, because then my holder, by the way, it's too short. So this one I'm using this anyway. So this is what I got from them. Ta-da-da-da. Wow. So just few things here. I got crinkle paper. This is in pearl. This is in pearl. And then I have this. Yeah, this is a craft paper tape. 2 inches by 50 meters. So this is very useful. And this one, this is real abaca. If you do not know, for those people, for foreign people who's watching this video, abaca is actually looks like banana plant, and it's very the fibers are used to make skirts or like clothing like this, and even this. So these are abaca fibers. This is natural abaca fibers. So I got 2 of those here. And then, so what are these things? These are actually the dried bouquets, which is something I'm really excited about. These are mini bouquets here. Wow! This one. So these are real flowers, by the way. They are dried. I forgot the name of the flowers. Maybe there's a name in the... I'm gonna check the site later. So I bought 2 of this. That one and this other one. I have to cut it. And okay. So I guess I ordered the same flowers. Yes, they're just exactly the same. And Pambalot PH, if you're watching this, very nice packaging. Everything is well packed. Okay, and I also bought this one. Okay, I'll put them all aside, by the way. Just move them all out. And last but not the least, I brought this one. This white paper bag. There are actually options. The brown one, which is the usual one that you see in the stores, and this one too, the white one. Why I chose the white one? Because I'm gonna write something there using my pens. So hopefully this will come really handy. And I also brought here together in the same plastic. This is a craft paper. The craft paper will be used to wrap the stuffs that I make, the products that I have. So I'm gonna be wrapping them with craft paper. I'm just gonna check if this is the right thickness that I was looking for. I'm not sure, but if it's not, I'm just gonna buy another one. Anyway, craft papers are really useful. Oh, how do you open it? Okay, and I got stuck here. So I managed to get it out of the plastic. And anyway, this one is not bad. This is, I was hoping for a thinner one, but this is really good already because I will be painting on these papers, and so the papers, the wrappers will have their own designs using watercolor. So this will not come as like this anymore, so it'll be colorful later when I use this for my products. And so, and these are all the things that I got from Pangbalot PH. Thank you so much, Pangbalot PH. If you're watching this, thank you so much. Very nice products, very good packaging. I'm excited to use this. By the way, Pangbalot PH has this slogan, for the locals and by the locals. Or is it the other way around, by the locals and for the locals? Why is that? Because these products, their specialty actually are craft boxes. I did not buy those things though because I cannot think of what to put in my craft boxes yet. I'm still a beginner in this field, so I'm thinking what to put, but maybe I could find one. Yes, I got a bouquet today, and it's actually a pretty bouquet. The thing is, it's too small. Okay,